Here's just some sustainability. You know, it is an important USP, unique selling proposition for the end consumer. 80% of consumers are willing to pay for a sustainably produced product. This is an actual study with end users. 66% of all respondents and 75% of all millennials consider sustainability when making a purchase today. So that's a big element of the up-and-coming population that are really focused on this as being super important to them as they're buying. So as we're talking to big retailers that are going to sell this to end consumers, this is something that they really need to start to think about as they pivot their business from gas and oil into the EV space. And consumers are willing to pay a 12% premium on average for minimized environmental impact. So these are all separate studies done by separate consultancies that really have come forward and said, yeah, this does make sense, this does make an impact, and most large businesses are starting to find that EV is part of their sustainability pledge out there in the marketplace.